Yes, I want us to look at the difference between vernier caliper and a micrometer screw gauge. Most of these students don't know. Most of the people don't know what is the difference between vernier caliper and micrometer screw gauge. They are all measuring instruments, but they differ. They are all used in measuring length and diameter of an object, but there are areas where they differ. They differ in their accuracy, they differ in their uses, and differ in their least count, like the smallest division. So now, what is vernier caliper? Vernier caliper is a measuring instrument used in measuring the external diameter, internal diameter, and depth of an object. And it has a least count of 0.1 millimeters or 0.02 millimeters. That is for vernier caliper. What does it measure? It measures the external diameter of a rod or a pipe. It measures the internal diameter of a tube. It also measures the depth of a hole. That is where vernier caliper is applicable. So now, what is micrometer screw gauge? Micrometer screw gauge is a measuring instrument used in measuring the thickness and the diameter of an object. It has an accuracy of 0.01 millimeters. It has a very high accuracy. So I want you to take note of that it has a very high accuracy. So that is the least count of a micrometer screw gauge. It has a least count of 0.01 millimeters. So you can see the differences between vernier caliper and a micrometer screw gauge. And where is micrometer screw gauge applicable? What does it measure? It measured the thickness of an object, like the thickness of a razor, the thickness of a paper, the thickness of a metal sheet, or the diameter of a tiny wire. That is where micrometer screw gauge is applicable. So take note, you can see the difference between micrometer screw gauge and a vernier caliper. So take note of this. For those of you who are writing exams, these are likely questions that normally comes out, like in WAEC, JAMB, NAPTEP, all of these exams. So take note as you remain updated in this channel. Share it to your loved ones. Go to the comment section. What you don't understand, make your comment there. Like it. That is where we are going to draw our curtain for today, as we meet subsequently.